I use the Hunger Games to teach natural selection. Here's how. One of the basic tenets of natural selection is that there is a struggle to survive. Just like in the Hunger Games, when they get in that arena, 24 people go in, only one person, most of the time, comes out. There has to be differences between the individuals within the species. Just like in the Hunger Games, some of the competitors are really smart, some are really strong. Some, like Katniss, are very good with a bow, others are very good with a trident. We don't know which ones are going to be the most useful until they get in the arena. And this is where I really like this analogy, because just like in natural selection, which traits or adaptations is dependent on the context. What makes a person most likely to win the Hunger Games is dependent on the arena. Finnick Odair grew up in the water. He could tie nets, he could use a trident, he was a fabulous swimmer, and that helped him win his Hunger Games. But if the arena had not been in the water, would Finnick have won? He was the best fit for that environment. So just like if the arena had changed, Finnick would not have had an advantage any longer. Adaptations are only adaptations in the particular environment that they're helpful for. So Finnick survives and wins because he's the best fit for that environment. As a result, he's the only one of those 24 that lives long enough to reproduce and pass down his traits. My favorite thing after doing something like this with students is to have them find the holes in the analogy, because it really helps them to hone in on the science. Let me know if you use Hunger Games to explain natural selection in your classroom and how it goes. If you're a biology teacher and you're not already on my email list, what are you even doing? Stay curious, y'all, and may the odds be ever in your favor.